Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. To deactivate your Facebook account, open your Facebook app, click on the three dots at the top right corner, click on settings, now click on account center, scroll down and click on personal details, click on account ownership and control, click on deactivation or deletion. Here it's going to show you all the accounts you have on your Facebook app. Click on the one you want to deactivate. It's going to give you two options, deactivate or delete. So you're going to choose deactivation. Click on continue. Click on continue. You have to put your password to confirm you want to deactivate your Facebook account. Here it says deactivating your Facebook account will remove your name and photos from most things you have shared on Facebook. Some information may still be visible to others, such as your name in their friend list and message you sent. So here, you can give them a reason why you want to deactivate your Facebook. You can just press others and explain, or just click any random thing. Then click on continue. It will bring you to the privacy control. Click on continue. So here is where you deactivate your account. Confirm temporary account deactivation. When you click on the blue button, it will deactivate your Facebook account. So that's how you deactivate your Facebook account. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.